Today is Tuesday, so that means it is time for a tiny, tidy Tuesday. Today I am going to clean up in my kitchen and I am going to add a few Easter pieces to my kitchen, so stay tuned.
Honey, put your phone down. I know you've been hurting. This spiral road. Take my hand and listen. Maybe one day you'll cross paths and you both got new purpose. And the light you used to live left within that old apartment. Maybe nothing said and done, and your chest is set on fire. But I promise you, there's nothing but a cold heart like you. A lot of lies. I know you don't want to hear.
Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. I do want to add a touch of Easter spring into my kitchen. We had daylight savings time this past weekend and it's rainy and kind of cold, so I'm having a little trouble getting motivated today. So I cannot wait to check out today's Tiny Tidy motivation playlist. And you can find that in my description box below if you need some motivation as well. I know I do. Also Tiny Tidy Tuesdays are put together each and every Tuesday by my sweet friend Sunday Dawn here on YouTube. Her channel name is The Helpful Home, and I will link her channel with the Tiny Tidy playlist in my description box below. So first, I just want to show you just a few things that I pulled that I think I want to use in the kitchen. I'm not 100% sure, but I think I do have this. You've probably seen this before. I have this little board that is in a bunny shape. I want to see if I can find a place for him this year. And then I have this little white rabbit that I think I have a place for. So that'll just be nice and simple. And then I have these two rabbit plates. I got these at Kirkland's last year and just loved them. I have a whole set for my dining room, but I have two leftover plates, so I'm going to try to incorporate them in here in the kitchen. And I thought maybe I could just put a carrot on top of each one because I have lots of extra carrots. So we will see if these things work. So let's clean up, tidy up a little bit, and then do a little spring Easter decorating.
Your heart still burns me. The way it looks at you, every touch you give. Now you gotta listen. Maybe one day you'll cross paths and you both got new haircuts. And the jacket you used to borrow on someone else's shoulders. Maybe then it nights are clear and your heart is set on fire.
new to my channel, I just want to take a moment to introduce myself. My name is Jen. I make a variety of homemaking content here on my YouTube channel. I am a former teacher and a heart warrior, and I also want to thank my returning subscribers for coming back for another video. In this video, I am using real time, which basically means I am not speeding up the video to show you how long it takes to tidy my kitchen each day. I did start tidying in the afternoon, and then I waited until dinner to do the floors. This is my typical daily routine. Sometimes I do a little more, sometimes I do a little less, but it normally takes me around 15 to 20 minutes to tidy in my kitchen each and every day. And of course, that's excluding tidying up as I go along.
어디서부터 참을 수 있을까? 벌어진 틈새를 채울 순 있을까? I don't know what to do. We've already spent too much time. 우린 이미 너무 먼 길을 너에게로부터 가장 먼 내 마음이 또다시 철없이 널 향하지 않게 far away, far away. 한참을 헤매고 찾아왔던 네가
I am one of those people, I love things to be aesthetically pleasing, so I want to have some decor on my countertops, but I do not want to have a lot because I want it to be easy for me to maintain, so I have just enough to make it pleasing to the eye, but not so much that it's overwhelming and I cannot clean it every day.
이제 내게 난 인사를 건네줄게. 너에게로부터 가장 먼 곳 내 마음이 또다시 철없이 널 향하지 않게 far away, far 정처없이 흘러갈 너를 두고 가난한 내 맘 서둘러서 손끝 하나 닿으려 애를 쓰던 나야. 마지막에서 어떤 말로 널 담을 수 있을까?
Cleaning my home brings me so much joy, and I hope that that shows through in my videos because I really do enjoy tidying and cleaning my home each and every day. I know for some people it is a dreaded task, and we are all different, and that is okay because we're all just unique and made the way that we are made, but I do enjoy keeping my home nice and tidy. It just brings the sense of joy and peace for me to do that. This weekend, I was so excited. I got to go spend the night in the second largest estate in North Carolina, second only to the Biltmore House. It is called Grayland Estates. It is located in Winston-Salem, North Carolina, and I felt like a princess because it's like a castle. It had this staircase that was absolutely beautiful and gorgeous, and it was so relaxing. The grounds were so beautiful to walk, and so I'm going to have some pictures on my Instagram later this week. If you do not follow me on Instagram, my handle is LiveLaughLoveWithJen. I will also have those posted over on Facebook at LiveLaughLoveWithJen if you want to see some of the views from the estate. Whenever I go on any type of getaway or vacation, I am so in the moment that I forget sometimes to take pictures.
Listen for me in a violin. Listen for me when the knife is turning. Listen for me when the world is burning. Babe, would you listen for me? Listen for me in a crowded street. Listen for me in a winning streak. Listen for me when you're at your peak. Babe, would you listen for me? Listen for me in a child's power. Listen for me in a golden hour. Listen for me when you're on your own. Listen for me when you're far from home. Listen for me when you can't go on. Babe, would you listen for me? Listen for me in a skein of birds. Listen for me when there are no words. Listen for me in a violin. Listen for me when the knife is turned. Listen for me when the world is burning. Babe, would you listen for me?
Wish that I could find the words to describe you now, as I'm lying next to you and the world goes quiet. Wish that I could make you see how you fit me perfectly, and I fall for you again. We've been through it all. You're the one who understands. In a world where hope grows thin, you've completed me. And the story left within tells me how to breathe. Wish that I could make you see how you fit me perfectly, and I fall for you again. We've been through it all. You're the one who understands. it all. You're the one who understands.
So I waited until after we ate dinner to sweep, take out the trash, and mop. So now everything is nice and tidy in here for the night. And I am going to sit down and read in this book that I mentioned a couple of weeks ago, The Let Them Theory by Mel Robbins. I am really enjoying this book, so I'm going to go read a chapter, and I was just kind of wondering what you guys are going to do today, or wondering what you tidied with me. So remember to check out Sunday Dawn's channel and to check out today's Tiny Tidy playlist for more tiny tidying motivation. And remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great day. Love you. Bye-bye.
Appalachian sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, I can feel it coming in. Golden, golden, I'll follow only golden, 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 golden things. Mountain laurel high fives for miles in spring. Rainbow trout and a hummingbird